I like to automate as much as I can about my life. And I thought to myself, every day I come home and I turn on the lights and I could just have that done so much more easily. And when I'm leaving, I always check the weather. So I thought maybe I could solve this problem with a little bit of ingenuity. I took a Raspberry Pi and a mid-range display and stuck them by the front door with some ultrasonic sensors, wrote up a little script, and now it knows when I'm leaving and going, and there's even a security camera that sends footage to a server. When you enter the house, the sensor closest to the door trips, causing the indoor light to turn on and the security camera to start recording. The light stays on for a couple of minutes after the last sensor was set off. If you just need the hall light, that works exactly how you want. And if you decide to leave, it gets the recording on the way out and turns the front porch light on. The UI you see here is from a website called DACboard. On boot, I have the Pi open up a browser full screen, and the DACboard website is set as the home page. The source code is linked in the description. If anyone's interested in a parts list, I'll make it. And I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.